Hello everyone, welcome to another web design adventure where we will unlock another secrets of creating mesmerizing button animations using just HTML and CSS. In this video, we will learn how to breathe life into your website buttons with 3 captivating effects: rotate, heartbeat, and border expand. In the previous video, we have seen 3 types of animations. One is shine effect, one is grow effect, and there is bounce effect. In this video in this tutorial we will see another 3 types of animations. In this tutorial we will cover rotate button. That rotate buttons means it will make your button spin and turn, adding a touch of playfulness and interactivity. Another animation is heartbeat button. It's basically we are creating a button that pulses with a heartbeat like animation, capturing your users' attention. Another button animation is border expand button. In this we will learn how to make buttons expand their borders when hovered over. As you can see, when you are hovering over it, the border are expanding. We are seeing one animation going from inside the button after hovering over the button. So there is no need for complex JavaScript or external libraries in this video. We are just keeping it simple and elegant with the power of HTML and CSS. To help you follow along and implement these effects on your website, I have included the code snippets in the video, and I also will be sharing the fully codes of HTML and CSS in my Medium blog. You can copy and use it. You can copy it from there and use it on your own projects. So if you are excited about web design and animations as we are, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We have plenty more web design tips, tricks, and tutorials coming on your way. So let's get creative and transform your website with these stunning button animations. Watch the video, try out the code, and let's your web design magic and shine. So let's begin our video. In this heartbeat class, in this heartbeat button animation, what we are doing, we are defining an animation, creating an animation named heartbeat, and in this case we are giving it a duration of 1 second and set it to run infinitely, that is infinite. Okay, then we are inside inside the heartbeat animation, we are defining keyframes. At 0%, the element starts at its original size. At 50%, the element scales up to 110% of its size, and at 100% it returns to its original size, and at 100% it returns to its original size. Okay, so this is the animation definition of animation that I have used in this heartbeat button. So after applying all this, what is the result? A pulsating effect, just like a heartbeat continuously repeating. Okay, so now we have completed all the three animations of 3 buttons. So go ahead and give it a try on your website. Create your own versions of this. Change some, if you want to change some values like font size, color, or animation time, whatever you want, you just update it on your own choice and own requirements and use it on your own website or own project. So that's all in this video. We have created 3 animation buttons in 3 styles. Stay tuned for more web design tips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.